Today we are glad to announce our new product, that is solar training system. Okay, in this solar training system there are various things which you can use this trainer as a practical approach while you are teaching to your students. Let me introduce you what are all the components which are available in the solar training system. Okay, basically we are providing two solar panels of nearly 50 mm cross 50 mm each, and the output of those solar panels, we can view their voltage in the digital voltmeter, and if you want to view their current, you can view all those things in a meter. And afterwards what we do is, after getting the power from the solar, we want to store it in a battery. Okay, for that we need a solar charge controller. Okay, that solar charge controller is provided here. The connections to the load, connections to the panel, and connections to the battery, everything is given here. And if you want to view, okay, what is the amount of AC current or DC current which is generated, here we have given the energy meter. Okay, on that energy meter you can view how much voltage or current is generated from this. And if you want to give some load, we are giving load such as LED strips and DC fan, okay, where you can directly operate these devices. And you can also see how much current it is consuming, these DC devices from our battery through our ammeter. And if you want to on some AC devices, we have an inverter. That inverter converts the DC into AC, and here you can apply any AC devices. And the best part in this thing, in this trainer, is the dimmer panel. Okay, if you want to increase the intensity of the light, because we cannot create the sun inside the lab, so what we did is we are giving you a facility to dim the light and to increase the intensity of the light that which we are providing. And there is an SCR based PID controller block. Okay, what it does is okay, it reads the temperature, okay, of the solar, and it controls the devices. And basically here okay, we have carrier lifetime and spectral response. What actually it says is, okay, at different wavelengths, okay, this solar panel, they generate different outputs. So you can clearly see at 700 mm wavelength, or at 600, 300, at different wavelengths you can vary this particular knob, and corresponding light is generated from the back, and you can see those outputs from these points. And apart from that, you can also find the carrier lifetime from the width of the solar panel and from the size of the solar panel. And this Peltier module, what actually it does is, we know that when light falls on the solar panel, it generates energy. Okay, when that light is coming, heat is also coming from the solar. So what we do is this aluminum, it absorbs the heat of the solar, and from the back we are generated a cooling through a fan. Okay, when heat from one side and the cooling from another side is applied on a Peltier module, it also generates some energy. So through this Peltier we are improving the efficiency of the energy which is getting produced. And if you want to do some series connection and parallel connection, okay, you can do from here. You can keep two solar panels in series and two solar panels in parallel, and you can see their voltage and current here. And okay, if you want to know, okay, what is the temperature which was maintained at the Peltier, okay, we have provided a PT100 sensor. Okay, that sensor will give you temperature. If you want to view the temperature, we have given a temperature DPM here. Okay, multi-channel temperature here. Okay, we are having 4 channel temperatures here. So one channel we can get from this Peltier, and there are 3 more extra channels which we have provided to you. Okay, if you want to use, you can use it at any other place. And if you want to do some PID actions of this, on this particular temperature, we have provided SCR based PID controller. Okay, that SCR based PID controller will help you to control anything, okay, by using the PID or PA or P, depending upon the algorithm that you want. Thank you.